we'll use it in just a second, but we're going to start with some dramatic marching. So we're going to go opposite arm and opposite leg. Ooh. Good. Okay, yeah, just getting everything. Beautiful. Yeah, feels so good. All right. A little bit more. Nice. Okay, now let's take it down onto the mat, and we're going to do some hip rolls. And let's put the ball between the knees for this one. Okay, so we're inhaling here. Exhale, tilt the pelvis and roll through. We're going to squeeze the ball together. 3, 2, 1, and then release it all the way down. Again, tilt and roll. We squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and roll it back down. Good. Just opening up the fronts of the hips here. 3, 2, 1, and roll it down. Good. 3 more. Nice. Okay, last 2. 3, 2, 1, and roll it down. Good. Last one. Perfect. All right. Now, from here, we're going to roll. You're going to roll your butt in the air and then stick the ball underneath your low back. You can readjust if you need to. Just going to scoot down. Okay. So your hands are going to be by your side. If you need a wider stance for more balance, you can do so. We're going to go 1, 1, and then a switch. Press, press, and switch. Good. Switch, switch, and lengthen. Beautiful. Your feet are in parallel right now. And you're also letting the foot kind of drop towards the ground. Keeping the hips as still as possible, but opening up through the hip flexor. Switch, switch, and lift. Whew. And up, and a switch, switch. Good. Now we're going to turn out the legs, so your knees are going to point out to the sides. Same thing. Switch, switch, and lift. But be gentle with this one. Whew. And up, and switch, switch, and lift. Nice. Let's go one more on each side. Switch, switch, and lift. Last one. Good. Okay. Now we're going to do our adductor stretching, but I think I'm going to twist the body a little bit away from the wall, just so I don't crash into it. Okay. So legs are up in the air, and we're going to do a nice wide position and center, and widen and center. Widen the legs and center it. Beautiful. Let's go 2 more from here. Open wide and center. Last one. Now we're going to do beats between this. So we're going to go beat, beat, and open. Beat, beat, and open. Beat the legs and open. Beat, beat, and open. Let's go. 2 more of these. Switch, switch, and open, and last one. Good. All right, now let's lift the ball up, take it out from underneath you, and then we're going to do breaststroke prep. Okay, so for this one, laying on your stomach, toes are going to be pointed. Extend the arms out so the ball goes underneath your wrist. We're going to inhale as you lift up and stretch out as far as you can go, and then lower. Nice. Lift it up, extend the spine, and lower. Good, feeling that upper back engagement as well as a little bit of the low back. That's fine for that one. And extend. Nice. Let's go 2 more from here. Squeezing your butt. And lower. Last one here. Good. All right, now go ahead and fold into child's pose position. The ball can go underneath your hands. Okay. Now from here, we're going to put the ball underneath your pelvis. Okay, just getting on top of it. And we're going to go forward and back. Forward and back. This is our boat rock. It's so much fun. And roll it and up. Good. Making sure you're pretty stable on your pelvis. Good. Up and lift and lower. Making sure the back body is fully engaged. Good, last one. All right, nice. Holding in the child's pose again. Okay, now we're going to bring the ball underneath your kind of calf area. Maybe let's do more underneath your ankle. And this is our position. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna have your hands on the ground, and then we're gonna slide out into your inner thigh stretch, going as far as you wanna go. Yes. Just gonna twist. There we go. And yeah, love it. That's your water bottle. Good. And again. Let's go 2 more from here, making sure that the knees are actively straightened on that left side. And 2. Let's go 1 more. I'm not even counting. Yes. And then bring it back up. Nice. And then switching to the other side. Yeah. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. And then sliding out. Oh, wow. That's cool, bud. Oh. Let's go 2 more from here. Slide and press. And bring it in. And last one. Beautiful. All right. Okay, so this one, we're going to have your right foot in front, left ankle on top of the ball. We're going to press through the ball and slide out nice and controlled into your lunge, and then bring it back in. And again, slide it out nice and centered. It's a balance challenge, yes. And bring it back in. Nice. Again, 2 more on this side, keeping the core nice and tight. And bring it back in. Whew, last one, this is hard. Breath. And bring it back in. Okay, switching to the other side. Okay. Okay, finding your balance. Pressure in the hands and the foot. Slide out as far as you can go. Good. Finding your center and lengthening through the hip flexor. Good. Let's go 2 more. Press all the way up. Maybe it's a little shaky. That's totally fine. And bring it in. Last one. Slide and press all the way out. Good. All right, let's do 1 more child's pose position. But for this one, widen your knees a little bit. Have your hands on the ball. We're going to curve through the spine. Extend at the bottom and tilt the pelvis back and roll it back up. Nice. Again. And extend and curve all the way up. 1 more from here. Tilt and extend at the bottom. And roll through all the way up. And we're done. Woo! Yay! Thanks, Apollo.